Hey everyone, welcome back to our travel channel. Today, we're taking on one of Vietnam's most exhilarating attractions. You've seen the rice terraces, you've hiked the peaks, but you haven't truly experienced Sapa until you've raced down a mountain at 40 kilometers per hour. In this video, we're going to show you exactly what to expect, give you the essential tips, and, of course, take you on the ride of your life. Let's go! First things first, location. This coaster is situated in Lao Chai, just a short drive from Sapa town. It's right near the famous trekking routes, making it a perfect adrenaline break between village visits. Unlike other tourist spots, it feels a bit more integrated into the beautiful valley scenery.
The carts are modern, the staff is helpful, and most importantly, you are the pilot. You have a lever, push forward to fly, pull back to brake. The track has some great technical turns and a few surprising drops. If you trust the cart, then leave the brakes alone, you can get some serious airtime. It's 1.6 kilometers of pure fun. We bought 2 tickets, so today we're racing through the clouds, giving you a full POV, and showing you why this is the must-do activity for your next trip to northern Vietnam. Let's dive in.
哎呦，那你看我死耶！紧张的。哇！哎呦呦呦呦呦！落！哦，no！哎呀，好辛苦！我睇住就做咩危險啊你
Is it worth it? Absolutely. It's exciting, safe, and gives you a perspective of Sapa you just can't get from a trekking pole. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button. Check out our other Sapa videos for more hidden gems, and I'll see you in the next adventure.